in a Taco Bell bag.
Yes.
Don't ask questions.
That was my idea. How your stuff got dealt with inside, that's partly Hannah's fault.
Okay.
So
TV mobile, drinks, 1 large Baja Blast, food, 5 beef crunchy tacos, no sauce.
I have a drawer full of sauce because they keep giving me handfuls of fire sauce every time I go.
They're trying to make him less gringo.
Oh, gosh.
So, in case you wanted to know about the Taco Bell order habits of our favorite editor.
Hey, sometimes you can't go wrong with crunchy tacos.
I don't condone Taco Bell.
Hey, you also don't condone that burger burrito thing
I don't
from Del
condone
Taco.
anything that's disgusting.
Remember, you still owe me the Taco Bell video.
Just wait till we get the Taco Bell. That's a different time.
Don't worry, it's
Did
okay.
you guys glue this?
Maybe. You know, we could have made it easy, but we said for the video, we're going to make it fun. I may or may not have heat sealed them inside the bag just to be extra. Because if it's worth doing, it's worth totally torturing your friend on camera for your enjoyment.
In case of Kofefe emergency break open, I don't know if that shows up on camera or not.
The back one.
In case of goat cheese emergency break open. How long did it take you to make these things?
Not that long. It might have been like 15 minutes, but it was 15 minutes well spent just for that. So that's just some stickers that McKenna gave Hannah when she went over there.
Oh, nice. Again, I don't know if this is going to show up on camera or not. Oh, actually, I think it does. Yes, I love my goat cheese. What can I say?
I swear it is a running gag. Every time we go somewhere where there's anything with goat cheese, we go, oh, Danielle would eat that.
So do I literally have to break these open?
Why do you think I gave you a
Yes.
pair of needle nose pliers? If you need a little bit of help, let me know.
Let's see, what kind of stickers? Actually, oh, these were from Christmas.
And the best part is they didn't have any envelopes, so they literally put everything inside of a cup for Hannah.
Oh, this one's cute. It's a little McKenna snowman with a hot coffee. That is not going to be problematic whatsoever.
Oh, absolutely not at all.
And a bunch of dancing reindeer.
Those are just too cute not to throw there, I'm not gonna lie.
Yeah, that's adorable.
So I will give you a pro tip. I was at least nice, and when I designed these, there is a little notch right there so you can get a tool in there to help crack it out open.
How did you get these, like, put together in the first place?
Well, you'll see that in part 1 of the video, but I actually laser cut. You need some help?
Hang on, give me a second.
We're going to create the Why Doctor Should Not Have Tools meme again.
Hey. Maybe I will just stab these things. Oh, here we go.
Oh, yeah. Do be warned, it can create sharp edges. Oh, it cracked perfectly. There we go.
Well, it's a pity that I already got some Kofefe right here, but this will be helpful in the future.
That's the whole point. I mean, don't worry. It's not like we have time to go run there and back and get our 5 Red Bull drinks anyways.
The thing is that I have never gotten the Red Bull drinks there. Actually, what I've done is I've gone there and said, hey, can I, like, replace the Red Bull with lemonade? Because I do not care what people think. Red Bull is not good for you.
Really? But it gives you wings.
Red
Yes.
Bull gives you wings.
Yes.
Wings to fly into the afterlife.
Yes, 100%.
Literally.
Eat happy. All right. That actually wasn't too bad.
That actually turned out better than I thought. I didn't go over the top with gluing it shut because I didn't want to make it impossible to get into, but it is fun though when your friend stares at it and goes, "Oh no, I have to open this."
Well, I love the idea. That was hilarious.
You're welcome. You can thank Hannah for putting it inside of the clear acrylic because I asked her, I'm like, so what do you want? Wood where you can't see what's inside or clear acrylic when you can see inside? And you're like, I want the clear acrylic.
Yes, because then it's even more taunting. It's like, you know what's in there. You know you want it.
Open me up.
Whereas I said in the video, I'm like, it's like that scene in the movie with the kid like staring through the window at the toy shop at the toys that he wants, but he knows he can't get. It's just like, it's tormenting you.
Yes, it's taunting me.
It's like, I'm right here and you can't get me. All right, that was epic. High five.
Thank you so much, guys.
You're welcome. So now we're going to have to try and one up next year's.
I'm sure that you guys will come up with even more outlandish ideas the next time, knowing you two.
Yes.
The shenanigans never stop.
So this time, Hannah's learning how to weld. All right, guys. If you want your own gift card vaults to torment your friends with, like I said in part 1.5, probably can't do acrylic because it's a pain to glue if you don't have the right solvents, but I can do wood ones. Let me know.
Yeah, honestly, these are pretty epic right here.
Oh, yeah. I just don't think everybody has methyl ethyl ketone laying around to solvent weld it with. All right, see you guys later.